If you need to recover your Citizens Financial Group account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Citizens Financial Group website. Go to the official Citizens Financial Group website. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Choose Alternative Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your email, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or using your registered phone number for verification. Step 4. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't to use before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.